Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Hyundai Veloster trunk from the inside. This can be a lifesaver if your exterior release button malfunctions or if you experience a dead battery. It's a straightforward process, but always remember to ensure your vehicle is parked securely and the engine is off before you begin. Safety first, always. To begin, you'll need to gain access to the interior of your Veloster's hatch. Start by folding down the rear seats completely. This will give you ample room to safely crawl into the cargo area. Once inside, face the rear hatch door. It's a good idea to use a small flashlight to help you clearly see the latch mechanism. Now, let's find that emergency release. On the inside of the hatch, directly near the central latch mechanism, you'll find a small plastic panel. Carefully examine this panel for a distinct slot or a small lever. This is your manual override, designed to bypass the electronic latch system when needed. It's usually quite small, so take your time to locate it. Once you've found the slot or lever, insert a flat object, such as a flathead screwdriver or even your car key. Gently but firmly push or slide the lever in the direction indicated, which is often to the right. You should hear a click as the latch disengages. The hatch will then be unlocked, allowing you to open it fully from the exterior. Remember this simple trick for future use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.